Now, you're probably wondering where this is going to go here. This is not about me saying I can teach you how to do this, because the problem is most people, even when they've got a program they can follow, still struggle because of the work involved. And I'm not going to deny, if you want to learn product creation, there's a lot you have to master, and that's just some of what you have to master there. You know, you've got to do niche research, you've got to create graphics, sales page, blah, blah, blah. You can see all the stuff there. And there's more to it than that. So you need to learn this and more. However, I'm going to show you how you can avoid this. I'm going to show you how you can literally have a product of your own without creating a product of your own. Okay? And you're probably thinking, where are you going with this, John? But let me sort of explain more about